Hey everybody, welcome to This Side of the Radio. My name is Shane, K5QBF, and today's a little different. I've reached about the 6-month mark creating this YouTube channel, and I really wanted to throw out some special thank yous to those that have kind of helped me along the way. First and foremost, Joe Brett, K5YVY. He's the one that talked me into doing this, and I'm kind of glad he did, because I've had an absolute blast creating content and being on other people's live streams and just cutting up, meeting new people. This has become my new ham family. But Joe Brett, thank you so much. I appreciate it. T.O., Temporary Offline, Smoke and Ape, Ham Radio Dude. Man, the list goes on and on. Jason, Ham Radio 2.0, Mike K at Ham Radio Radio Stuff. All of you guys, thank you so much for helping me out, helping this channel get started, get rolling. And with that being said, I've reached about 825 subscribers the last time that I looked, and for 6 months, I think that's fantastic. I can't thank you guys enough for sticking with me and the support, all the stuff on Discord, tips and tricks, things you liked, things you didn't like. I appreciate that kind of feedback as well. But I want to kind of give back to everybody, so I've decided let's do a drawing. Let's do a giveaway. So, and you've probably already seen that from the title of this video, but hey, so I want to do a giveaway, and I'll do a couple of things. I'm going to give away some stickers and stuff like that, but comment in this video. Comment with your call sign down in this video, and when I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away a PackTenna Mini in-fed half-wave antenna. No charge to you, no postage, no nothing. This is my way of saying thank you. But I'll just pick a random comment from this video, and huge shout out to George over at PackTenna for allowing me to give this away. That means a lot. So I know these are hard to come by, and I hope you guys are excited to get a chance to win one of these. I really love mine. I've got a video coming out here pretty soon. I'm doing a review. I've got mine trimmed to 20 meters. So that is pretty much the band that I use most of the time. I use 40 some, but for the most part, it's 20 meters. For my particular area, it seems to be the quietest. But anyway, I wanted to say thank you for everyone who's liked, comment, subscribed, all that YouTube stuff we always talk about. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. It means a lot. I appreciate the support, and I want to give it back. So comment on this video with your call sign, and when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to pick a random person to send this PackTenna Mini in-fed half-wave to, and hopefully you'll send me a video back, or you'll post something and let me know how much you're enjoying it, and what you've done with it. Do you take it POTA? Do you use it at home because that's the only thing that the only antenna you can put up? I don't know. Let's. I can't wait to hear from you. Got a lot of fun stuff coming up on the Ham Radio Clubhouse. If you're going to be in Huntsville at the Huntsville Ham Fest this weekend, on August the 20th, 21st, and 22nd, I believe, 1 p.m. at the Gigaparts booth, come say hi. Myself and Steve and Joe Brett are going to be there from the Ham Radio Clubhouse. So come say hi. I've got some stickers I'll probably give away at the Ham Fest, but first and foremost, thank you guys. I appreciate it. Couldn't done it without you. Thanks for the support. It's been a blast. I'm looking forward to continuing growing the channel, growing the content. Hopefully bringing you some new stuff you haven't seen before. Maybe a different perspective. That was kind of the idea in this channel, is to come up with a perspective that maybe you haven't seen before. Maybe I can explain something or show you something that I don't know. Maybe you understand it easier that way. I call it keeping it Texas simple. But anyway, thanks again. I appreciate it. And comment on this video. Comment with your call sign. And when we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm giving away the PackTenna Mini in-fed half-wave. Can't even spit it out. That's a lot of tongue twist in there. But anyway, thank you so much. Thanks for helping me with this channel. And go out there, have fun in amateur radio. Whether it's at home, whether it's portable, parks on the air, whatever it may be, go and have fun. It's a great hobby. We need to share it. Hope you're all doing fantastic. 73, and we'll see you on the next video.